is dying. And it surprised me. It surprised me. Is it because our gentle killer is dying? They are now carrying out old videos proving that it's something that is currently happening. No. Criminality is criminality. And gentle the Yahoo is not a criminal. That is why he is eradicating criminals out of Okigwe State. He is eradicating criminals out of Biafra land. And he is eradicating kidnappers. Then who are those criminals? The video that is going on social media. And Iken Guruagu, let me ask you, Iken Guruagu, you are a stupid man. You are a fool. And even you yourself, you know that you are a fool. Even Biafrans know that you are a fool. Even your own family know that you are a fool.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, wherever you are watching us from. Yes, so we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this latest update news to you. Today being 29th of August 2025. Here is the news in details. The DOX Ebube, Ebekuodike, Ikenga Uruago, and every other associates of them are doing everything possible to bring Gentle the Yahoo down, to make sure that they buy or silence Gentle the Yahoo entirely. But here in this video, General Angel Makeup has exposed them. Angel Makeup has told us exactly what transpired in that video, how the Biafran Liberation Army were able to arrest those guys who has been terrorizing the citizens of Imo State, especially Oni Imo. They are terrorizing them, pretending that they are Biafran Liberation Army. And those guys, according to Angel Makeup, those guys are working for Ebekuodike. The Ebekuodike is using those guys to do a lot of evil in our land, so that the citizens of Biafrans will start talking against Biafran Liberation Army. And that video is not a recent video, according to Angel Makeup, that all these DOS agents are only using those videos to work against Gentle the Yahoo, because we all know that in Igbo land there is one adage that says that anytime they want to kill a dog, they will first of all give that dog a bad name. You know, they can say that this dog is barking anyhow, this dog is biting people anyhow, this dog is messing the compound up anyhow, just because they wanted to kill the dog and eat the meat. So they will just give that dog a bad name. That's exactly what they are doing to Gentle the Yahoo at the moment.
Biafrans, I want to address Biafrans over this video of these three guys that is going around the social media. But before I come to that, I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans and all the lovers of freedom over the current situation on ground based on our generals, the Triple General Igwe Putozo, Major General Gentle the Yahoo, General Owam and the Beat 44, and the rest of the commanders that was affected. The information that is reaching me over their health is that they were poisoned on the 15th of August 2025. And the information came to my location on the 16th of August 2025. And today is 27th of August 2025. And I am here to let Biafrans to know the condition of our generals. According to the information reaching to me this early morning, is that they were poisoned through the wine that was presented to them. And the substance that was added, I mean the poison, was disastrous on their intestines. And the information reaching to me is that many of our generals are not talking by now. Many of them, most of them, are not yet speaking. So the Biafra defense forces all over the world is appealing to Biafrans, the lovers of freedom and the consensus ones, to go ahead to pray for our generals, for God's intervention. And the men on the ground are also investigating to know how the substance was penetrated. So now, that is the information I want to let the Biafrans to understand, that the situation is very, very critical. The situation of our generals, especially the state commanders, generals, Triple General, Major General General de Yahoo, General Owam, General Owebune Butozo Chiaga, and General B44, and the other state commanders that are present. So the investigation is still going on so that we can fish out how this thing penetrated. So that is the situation is very, very critical. And we urge Biafrans to pray for them, for God's intervention. Secondly, our intel from Anambra State Government House, the information reaching to my notice, reaching to me now, is that the Nigerian politicians, especially the Southeast politicians, in collaboration with Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Charles Soludo, Governor Peter Mpa, particularly these three governors, have gathered together in order to bring another genocide against Biafrans, especially in Olo State, in Owerri State, in Okigwe State. Currently now, I want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans to understand that the PG of Mbosi, known as Azoka, the PG of Mbosi is Azoka. His name is Azoka. And he is the one now that the Anambra State Governor Soludo and Hope Uzodimma and Peter Mpa, oh, ka Biafrans mata ihe na-eme ha ebe o si. The information reaching to me now that the Nigerian politicians are gathering caterpillar, foreign caterpillars, trailers, payloaders, all this construction company, bulldozer, and they are planning to forcefully take over our forest and hand it over to Fulanis, because they have understood, they have concluded by themselves that even Fulani, the Miete Allah, confessed that the presence of the Biafra Defense Forces could not allow them to penetrate, that the Nigerian Army and Nigerian DSS and Nigerian Air Force should help them to give them the settlement. So, dear friends, I want you to understand, that Hope Uzodinma and Charles Soludo, in order, because of their political interests, Hope is expecting for a governor or any other position, and Charles Soludo have already alleged to Mieti Allah Flanis that he can do anything in order to remain his position, because the seat of governor in Anambra State is shaking. So Soludo, in collaboration with Mieti Allah, want to forcefully take over our forest and hand it over to Mieti Allah. So that is the information I want Biafrans to understand. And I want to use this opportunity to bring to the notice of the international community, international leaders. Ọwụ mgbe ụmụ Igbo nwụsịara ka unu ga-agbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. The leaders of conscience, ọwụ mgbe ụmụ Biafra nwụchara, mgbe Nigeria terrorists gbuchara ụmụ Biafra, ka unu ga-abịa agbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka.
Many years back, all these people that are fighting now are friends. When Gentle Yahoo was still working on that ESN, Ebekwedike DOX, Ikengurago, part of DOS then, and a lot of them, all of them were working together, but immediately Mazen Nandekalo was kidnapped far away from Kenya. That was when things fall apart till today. All these DOS agents are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that they bring Gentle down. The same way they fought Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa has been arrested in Finland, and they have gathered all their energy again down to the men on ground. What they are trying to do at the moment is to make sure that they silence all the men on ground. But this thing is not making sense to us. Like, we really want to understand if DOS, Ebekwedike, Ikengurago, or the rest of them, though Ikengurago has denounced them, he said that he's no longer part of Biafra struggle. So let me direct this question to DOS, Ebekwedike, and the rest of them. You guys said that you are fighting for Biafra, or yes, and now you are using your so-called enemy, that is the Nigerian army, to fight against Biafran Liberation Army, against Simon Ekpa, against Gentle Yahoo and his boys or his men. Let's say that you succeeded in silencing Biafran Liberation Army. Will you still go back and fight for Biafran freedom? And those Musa guys or those Nigerian agents will allow you to do so? Like, I just really want to understand how possible is it. But with time, the whole truth will surely emerge. Because Nandi was na ikukukuo ahuiko okuko. Oge na adịghị anya ikuku ga-eku. Then we will actually know who is truly working for the restoration of Biafra and who is a pretender. With time, I'm telling you guys, with time, we'll surely know this.
Hear the cry of innocent civilians. Hear the cries of our babies. Hear the cries of our old mothers. Please, I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans over the current propaganda video of Voice of Major General Yahoo. I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans. Even though I am not in a position to address Biafrans on that note, but because of the critical condition of Major General Yahoo, he is dying. And it surprised me. It surprised me. Is it because our gentle killer is dying? They are now carrying out old videos proving that it's something that is currently happening. No. I want to use this opportunity to let our enemies, let the enemies of Biafra to understand that Men on the ground is not afraid. And we have come to take over our land from Nigerian terrorist government, and we say we have come. So there is no amount of your propaganda that can stop us. Now, I want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans to understand that criminality is criminality. And Gentle the Yahoo is not a criminal. That is why he is eradicating criminals out of Okigwe state. He is eradicating criminals out of Biafra land. And he is eradicating kidnappers. Then who are those criminals? The video that is going on social media and Ikenguru, let me ask you, Ikenguru, you are a stupid man. You are a fool. And even you yourself, you know that you are a fool. Even Biafrans know that you are a fool. Even your own family know that you are a fool. Ikenguru, let me ask you, are you of Biafra Defense Forces? Are you part of Biafra Liberation Army? Then why are you analyzing what happens or what you think that happens in the territory of Biafra Defense Forces? Because of your political interest, you betrayed your own land, Biafra. Because of your political interest, because you want Hopus Odema and the Southeast politicians to give you a chairman, just ordinary chairman of your own constituency. Ordinary chairman, you betrayed your land. I am here to, I want to use Ikenguru as a point of contact to reach Ebe Kodike, to reach Hopus Odema, to reach to all saboteurs, to reach Ediafano, to reach all saboteurs who sabotage the Biafran struggle. Let me use the opportunity to lay a curse upon you people. And I want to also use this opportunity to lay a curse upon all the bloggers, enemy bloggers. We have information how much Hopus Odema paid you people and employ you on social media for you to carry a campaign against a propaganda against the men on the ground. Let me tell you, men on the ground are not criminals, and that is why anywhere we catch criminal, we deal with that criminal. We are not a kidnapper. Anywhere we see a kidnapper, we must deal with him.
So Makeup is debunking all the news against Gentle the Yahoo. He's debunking everything that the DOS are doing to make sure that the citizens of Biafra hate Gentle the Yahoo. Because according to him, all the videos that they are bringing up on social media right now are old videos of Gentle the Yahoo. That Gentle the Yahoo is still suffering from the poison. Likewise, Owa and other commanders, Triple G, Webutuzo, that they are still suffering from the poison they contacted through the wine that they were given. So, guys, things are still happening. I'm telling you, things are still happening. Ebe Kodike and the DOS are mean, like they have determined to make sure that they bring Gentle the Yahoo down. Well, let's watch and see how all these things goes, as Makeup has caused the DOS people, telling them that they will see this Biafra in their eyes, but they can never enjoy the Biafra.
Why is it DOS? Why is it DOS are ranting on social media? Because those criminals are their boys. They will be kidnapping people. And when they are kidnapping people, when they are stealing, Ebe Kodike will come on WhatsApp, ranting nonsense, not knowing that it was his boys that is destroying, bringing the insecurity, kidnapping people. And on that glorious day, these three guys we are robbing. And the information is coming from Onimo that there are criminals robbing. And the police got the information and the police refused to go. The army got the information. The army refused to go. But the men on the ground, they got the information. And the general has to, the major general have to give signal. And his men reached there and apprehended these criminals. Let me use this opportunity to make it very, very open. If you are a criminal, leave Okigwe. If you're a kidnapper, leave Okigwe. Because our arms is against criminality. Our arms is against kidnappers. Our arms is against the Nigerian terrorist government who disguise themselves as unknown gunmen, kidnapping and stealing from our people. And when the Nigerian agents are stealing, they will be tagging it, the men on the ground. Listen, let me tell you. That video that is going on social media is a long time, old time video. And I am surprised why the DOS are bringing that video now. Only must testify how the criminals are terrorizing them there. And since the apprehension of these criminals, that Onimo is scam, Okigwe is scam, Umudure Bagro is scam, Arondizog is scam, and the Okigwe axis is scam. So why are people ranting? Why are they ranting? Because those guys are their guys they sent in order to commit heinous crimes. And when they are committing heinous crimes, they will be taking it the man on the ground. Listen, let me tell you. I am here to lay a curse upon the DOS. Listen, let me tell you. Because of since I joined the struggle of freedom of my people, I have never used this arm to intimidate anybody. I have never used this arm to kill innocent people. I have never used this gun, this arm to go against the Biafran struggle. So now I am here now, laying a curse upon all of you who are calling Ejemekop a criminal, who are calling Ejemekop a kidnapper, who is calling Ejemekop the ghost of the land will strike you. The oath that Chukwukika may establish here on earth will strike all of you, because I have never gone contrary. I have never used this gun against my own people. This arm in my hand is against the Nigerian securities, Nigerian terrorist government, against Fulanis, against criminals. So now we are eradicating, clean up the Okigwe from criminality, and the agents are ranting on social media. Continue to rant. What I want to tell you is that Biafra about to unu niile agaghị adị ndụ wee rie ihe nọ na ala Biafra. Ihe ahụ abụmọnụ nna bụ taa, and ọ ga-adị otu a na-eke, ọ ga-adị otu a n'orie, ọ ga-adị otu a n'afọ, ọ ga-adị otu a na nkwọ. Isi ga-ekpu unu agaghị ahụ ụkwụ unu ga-eji abata obodo a. Abụ na m ọnụ wee silie wee sị na ọ ga-adị otu a. Criminals, we are freedom fighters. We are freedom fighters. You cannot do anything. We have come to take over the land of Biafra. We say we have come.
Well, thank you fans, thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. Please share this video, Oh yes, we all love you. Bye.